Okay, I'm joined by Mark Takata, Senior Evangelist for Adobe ColdFusion to discuss building custom charts themes in CF 2025. Welcome,
Yes.
Mark.
Yeah. Hey, Yogesh.
So, what makes the new CF 2025 charting libraries special?
I think the big thing is we made a complete end-to-end refresh of the engine. We had not updated it in quite a long time, and we were able to pull out what was there and replace it with a fully modern engine from the charting company that we use for the library. I think that's the biggest thing. It allowed us to add a bunch of features, make it more beautiful, customizable, and powerful.
Okay. And how important is the visualization in modern applications, and what role do themes play?
It's incredibly important. I mean, they say you eat with your eyes first, right? It's the same with data. Data has aspects to it that are difficult to understand until you see them. And so when you're putting it into charts, you're able to actually absorb them faster. It's incredibly important for C-suites, right? For executives to be able to see that in dashboards live. And so the roles that those teams play is incredibly critical. And they've got folks that are completely dedicated just to visualization.
Right. So can you walk us through how developers can start customizing their charts?
Yeah, absolutely. The best way is to go to my GitHub and pull down the application that I built. There's an application that goes in and actually pulls down the built-in charting themes and allows you to edit them in place and preview them. That's the easiest way. It's a little more difficult if you have to go and actually drop in, grab the JSON and edit it manually. You could do that, and that would keep you from having to install it and update your administrator, because you do have to go to the administrator and add more post fields. I went up to 500 because there's a lot of nodes inside of that JSON. So that's really important. You'll also need a folder called themes, but that's already built into the GitHub download that is
And can
available.
you tell us what GitHub repo you have?
Yes, absolutely. So it's github.com/Mark R Takata/CF Summit 2025. That will get you in there.
So beyond aesthetics, can custom themes also improve usability and accessibility?
Yes, absolutely. Part of that is always what are the colors that you're using, making sure that they're safe for people who are colorblind or have other visual impairments that don't allow them to tell the difference between things like tonal variants, that kind of thing. So absolutely. Size is also important. Sizing on the fonts, sizing on the thicknesses of all of the different elements, whether it's a line or a dot, you can customize that as well.
Okay, that's nice. So what future enhancement do you see coming in charting space?
I think, and this will make Dave Ferguson really happy, is allowing users to do real-time updates to the charts. Because that is one of the things that we feel is really important for running dashboards, right? Dashboards that are showing in real time changes to databases or just to endpoints. I think that would be really critical. Dave Ferguson made it work, but he had to be a little bit hacky with it. He had to do things that we didn't support yet. We'd love to actually put that in and actually support it.
Oh, that's nice. So how can people follow your work or connect with you after this event?
Well, the best way is to make sure that they're following me on LinkedIn, going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Adobe ColdFusion. All of my recorded webinars are there, and they can feel free to interact with me on LinkedIn or on the CFML Slack, or just email me at takata@adobe.com. My door is always open.
Thank you, Mark. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Yogesh.